fellow Zebra fan Eevee and Eli the Cat fan. Back again with day 8 of my Paw Patrol Sneeze compilation. And I forgot her name, but I changed his name to like Black Licorice or something. Or probably Batty. No. I'm fine with Licorice. Okay, Licorice it is. And day 8 character's going to be Licorice, the black cat. So, not going to make a long intro. Let's go.
Need you to take care of the sniffly pups. I'll see if Katie can come by and help. Sky, I need you to use your goggles and copter to help find the missing pigs.
This pup's gonna...
Oh no, Sky, you too?
I had to stay here, huh? But your little smells turned me into a big sneezer. I'll take this one, for exercise. Paw Patrol, ready for action, Rider, sir.
Please don't pick me.
Jason's on the... Excuse me.
What?
On it. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
What's gonna... Ugh. Ew. Woo! Wow. Aw, do we have to pee you? Who needs a drink? Keep sniffing, pups. We're getting close. Oops. Sky? Oh. Excuse me.
Zuma, I need you and your booty. If Farmer Owl's pigs end up in the creek, we'll need you to bring them to shore.
I'm ready to say Suma's kind of cold too. If I'm ill, I better chill. Hang on. Picking me. Sorry. I'm a little allergic to feathers. Uh-oh. Huh? Now let's see if we can find out what's wrong. Excuse me, another one? But wait, that one's way closer to the danger zone. What if I sneeze and kill her? Uh-oh. That tickles my nose. Cut! Sorry, Suma's tail tickled my nose. Oh my, Licorice, you did it! Meow. 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 Oh, wow. Wow, okay. Look at the time. I gotta get going. I'll see you on my day 9 of the Paw Patrol Sneeze compilation. I'm fired up.